Both of these screen recordings teach exactly the same thing. Same computer, same tutorial, same mouse movements, but I bet your eyes naturally stayed on one of them. Why? It wasn't because the tutorial was better, it was because the information was easier to follow. In this video, I will show you 6 simple upgrades that can completely change how your screen recording feel without making them look over-edited. The first upgrade happens before you even press record. A clean desktop. It sounds simple, but first impressions matter. When viewers see unnecessary icon, random windows, or notification popping up, their attention gets divided immediately. A clean workspace makes your tutorial feel more intentional and professional from the very first second. Upgrade number 2, the zoom. Now watch what happens when I add a subtle zoom. I'm not zooming because it looks cool, I'm zooming because I want to guide your attention. Instead of wondering where to look, your eyes naturally move to the exact button I am talking about. That's the difference between decorating a tutorial and directing a tutorial. Use zoom only when something important deserves your viewers' attention. Upgrade number 3, the callouts. Sometimes even a zoom isn't enough. When several buttons are close together, beginners can easily click the wrong thing. That's where callouts becomes useful. A simple pointer removes the guesswork. The goal isn't to make the screen look busy. It is to make every click obvious before it happens. Upgrade number 4, the lower thirds. Lower thirds aren't just fancy animation. They are opportunities to teach something extra. For example, instead of repeating what I'm saying, I can show useful shortcuts or quick tips without interrupting the tutorial. That way, viewers learn more without slowing down the main lesson. Upgrade number 5, cursor movements. Here is something many people never notice until it is missing. Your mouse is part of the presentation. Fast and shaky cursor movements force viewers to chase the pointer around the screen. Instead, move with purpose. Pause briefly before important click. Give people enough time to follow along. Small changes like this make a huge difference. Upgrade number 6, putting it all together. Now we have combined everything: a clean desktop, subtle zooms, helpful callouts, useful lower thirds, and smoother cursor movements. None of these upgrades are complicated on their own, but together they completely change how the tutorial feels. Your viewers spend less time searching and more time learning. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments which upgrades you are going to start using first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.